Hi friends, welcome on Europedia, and this particular video is related to the interview document of NPCIL. As you people are aware that NPCIL is a very prestigious public sector nuclear power plants, and we have different nuclear power plants at different places in India. Wonderful job opportunities. There are more than I think approximately 400 students they have called for interview. They have called 12 times of that, 400 vacancies, and almost 4,500 candidates are shortlisted for interview. Now you are also aware that NPCIL may 100% selection is on the basis of your interview performance. Whatever interview performance you will have, the selection is on the basis of that. Now NPCIL may 20% weightage is given to HR, 80% weightage is for technical, but 20% weightage is for HR, and that 20% weightage which is for HR, in that there is also a part of document of NPCIL. That means some information related to NPCIL is also asked. Now this video is related to the information about NPCIL, that is a document. You take this document from the website of Europedia, you can download it, and I will be discussing with you some important information about NPCIL. Now Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited is a public sector, and that comes under Department of Atomic Energy. So that is Government of India, there is a Department of Atomic Energy and it comes under that. So there is also like Atomic Energy Act 1962 under which it was created, and there is another PSU of Department of Atomic Energy, that is Bhavini, and which is actually implementing fast breeder reactor program in India. Whenever you find out some terms, जैसे आपको कोई term नज़र आता है जब आप पढ़ रहे हो कोई चीज़, and if you find some term there, so you should try to find out details of that particular term. Fast breeder reactor, boiling water reactor, these are some of the terminologies which you people should be aware. So if you don't know what is the breeder reactor, what is the boiling water reactor, what is the breeder reactor, fast breeder reactor, go to Google and try to find it out. So fast breeder reactor is basically a terminology which you should be aware. Similarly, this particular organization NPCIL is basically the organization which is responsible for designing, construction, operation and maintenance of atomic power stations, atomic power plants and electricity generation. Now many of you who are from civil engineering background, when they go to interview, they normally ask you in the interview that as a civil engineer, why you want to be part of nuclear power plants. So answer to that question is that, sir, this Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited is responsible for designing, for construction, for operation and maintenance of atomic power station. So when it comes to construction, then obviously construction is a domain, is ambit which is related to civil engineers. So this part is actually related to civil engineering. So this NPCIL actually is into the maintenance, operation, design, construction and generation of electricity. So electrical engineer will be doing his job, mechanical engineer will be doing his job. So you can find out the answer as mechanical engineer, as electrical engineer, why you want to be part of some particular organization. The answer to that will also come from here. Also, like environment management system. Now what is the meaning of environment management system? What is the meaning of that? What is ISO 14001? Those kind of things also you should be aware, and if you don't have idea about that, then go to the Google, go to the internet and try to see what is the environment management system. Because also the power plants, in India we have different kind of power plants. We have thermal power plants which are fossil fuel based power plants, and lot of carbon emission related to that, which is not sustainable. And as per sustainable development goals, which India is also signatory, we cannot actually afford to have lot of carbon emission. And India in COP26 Glasgow, Prime Minister of India has already committed that by 2070 will go for net zero. So net zero also is related to somewhere environment domain. So environment management system, what is the ISO certification related to that, those information you should be having. Credit rating agencies have given very high credit rating to NPCIL, and boiling water reactor, pressure heavy water reactor. In India there are different kind of reactors we have in nuclear power plants. We have heavy water reactors, we have pressurized heavy water reactors, boiling water reactors, fast breeder reactors. As technocrats, you people should be aware what these breeder reactors are. तो उसका जो डिफरेंस है ना, यू कैन गो टू द इंटरनेट एंड यू कैन फाइंड आउट व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ प्रेशराइज्ड हैवी वाटर रिएक्टर, कितने प्रेशराइज्ड हैवी वाटर रिएक्टर हैं, लार्जली द रिएक्टर्स इन इंडिया आर ऑफ विच कैटेगरी, प्रेशराइज्ड हैवी वाटर रिएक्टर, बॉइलिंग वाटर रिएक्टर, या कौन सी कैटेगरी के हैं और कहाँ कहाँ पे हैं, दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग यू शुड बी अवेयर. If you're from Rajasthan, you should be knowing that Rawat Bata में आपका reactor है, and many times he is going to ask you, you are from Bihar, there is no nuclear reactor. उत्तर प्रदेश में कौन सा reactor है? And if in your state there is no nuclear power reactor, and if you want to commission nuclear power reactor in your state, how shall you identify the site? Site selection आप कैसे करेंगे? What is the criteria for site selection? One of the criteria which I want to discuss with you is like natural disaster prone area नहीं होना चाहिए. It should not be like, you know, Fukushima में क्या हुआ था, there was tsunami and then there was accident. Similarly, there should not be any natural disaster because type 4, type 5 earthquake zone area में आते हैं, prone zone में इंडिया में बहुत सी जगह आती हैं, cyclone prone areas आते हैं, so you should not have nuclear reactor in those areas. And also it should not be like within the vicinity of foreign countries like China, Pakistan and prone to attack. Nuclear reactor should not be in those areas. So in Bihar, if you want to create nuclear reactor, where you want to create the nuclear reactor, that particular thing should be there. Then nuclear power corporation, what is this all about and how it goes? And similarly भवेनी विद्युत निगम क्रिएट किया है, 22 न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर हैं, टोटल हमारा इंस्टॉल्ड कैपेसिटी कितना है, और आप ये भी देखना कि पूरे इंडिया की रिक्वायरमेंट कितनी है, 1 लाख मेगावाट से ऊपर है, लेकिन एज ऑफ नाउ वी हैव 6780 मेगावाट रिक्वायरमेंट ओनली. दिस इज द इंस्टॉल्ड कैपेसिटी प्रेजेंटली वी हैव. सो 22 न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर्स में से जो अभी 7 स्टेशंस पे हम ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, इंस्टॉल्ड कैपेसिटी, वाई इंस्टॉल्ड कैपेसिटी स्टैटिक, वाई इट इज ओनली 6780. एंड you know, then there are some private companies also which are related to creation of the nuclear power. So 8 reactors NPCIL के हैं और बाकी reactors बाकी companies के भी हैं, and also with which company, with which country we are having association, that also should be seen. Then comes the names of some reactors. महाराष्ट्र में तारापुर है, उसका पावर प्लांट कितना है, रावत भाटा राजस्थान में है, तमिलनाडु में कालपक्कम है, उत्तर प्रदेश में नरोरा है, गुजरात में ककरापार है, कर्नाटका में कैगा है, कुडमकुलम इन तमिलनाडु. With what is the capacity and when it was commissioned and with help of which country we have commissioned, those things should be aware, you people should be aware about that. And अगर आपकी स्टेट में नहीं है, then what should be the criteria, how we can create it. अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन कौन कौन से हमारे रिएक्टर्स हैं, अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन हैं जो चल रहे हैं, वो कौन कौन से हैं, दैट वी शुड बी नोइंग. एंड कहाँ पे हमने प्रपोज किया है, अभी बन रहे हैं और प्रपोज कहाँ पे किया है. जैसे हमारा मध्य प्रदेश में, गुजरात में कुछ प्रपोज किए हुए हैं न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर, दैट ऑल्सो इफ यू आर फ्रॉम पर्टिकुलर स्टेट यू शुड बी अवेयर, एंड कैपेसिटी ऑल्सो शुड बी अवेयर. लाइट वाटर है, हैवी वाटर है, कौन सा है, फास्ट ब्रीडर है, दैट इंफॉर्मेशन शुड ऑल्सो बी देयर. देन सम इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट द विजन मिशन. ये इसलिए इंपॉर्टेंट है बिकॉज द क्वेश्चन कम्स व्हाई यू वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ एनपीसीआईएल. देन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ विजन मिशन एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स यू पीपल विल बी इन बेटर पोजीशन टू आंसर इट. विजन मिशन एंड ऑब्जेक्टिव्स के बेस पे कि क्या इसका आंसर करना है, व्हाई यू वांट टू बी पार्ट ऑफ एनपीसीआईएल. एनवायरनमेंट पॉल्यूशन का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन वो पूछता है कि अलग अलग न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट्स होते हैं, जैसे थर्मल प्लांट्स होते हैं, हाइडल प्लांट्स होते हैं, सोलर पावर प्लांट्स हैं, विंड पावर प्लांट्स हैं, न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट्स हैं. सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट द एनवायरमेंटल इंप्लीकेशंस ऑफ पावर प्लांट. कौन सा पावर प्लांट एनवायरमेंटली बहुत ज़्यादा सेफ है, क्लीन है, और हमें कौन सा पावर प्लांट के ऊपर फोकस करना चाहिए. दोज थिंग्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. नाउ ऑपरेटिंग यूनिट्स, ये एक बार आप देख लेना, मैंने पहले भी डिस्कस किया लिस्ट के अंदर. तो ऑपरेटिंग यूनिट्स कितने हैं और एनपीसीआईएल के पावर प्लांट्स कहाँ पे हैं, दैट इंफॉर्मेशन यू शुड कैरी. Then we come to the units under construction, operating units that we have discussed. Safety performance, you know, many times he is going to ask you like what are the various safety parameters. Many of you who are in the maintenance or safety domains, they may be having some idea about the safety features. They are going to ask you like nuclear power plant में safety parameters, safety features क्या होते हैं. So that particular thing also is important. एंड इसका मोटो जो एनपीसीआईएल का है, दैट इज सेफ्टी फर्स्ट एंड प्रोडक्शन नेक्स्ट. एंड यही रीजन भी है अगर वो आपसे पूछते हैं कि वाई न्यूक्लियर प्रोडक्शन, न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट पावर प्रोडक्शन एज ऑफ नाउ इन इंडिया इज ओनली 7000 मेगावाट. सो वाई इट इज 7000 मेगावाट, वाई इट इज स्टैटिक एट 7000 मेगावाट, वाई इट हैज नॉट गॉन अप सिंस एजेस. सो दिस इज द रीजन फॉर दैट, सेफ्टी फर्स्ट प्रोडक्शन नेक्स्ट. दैट मीन्स सेफ्टी वी आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड न्यूक्लियर जो हमारा डॉक्यूमेंट है, न्यूक्लियर पावर पॉलिसी बना है हमारा, उसमें सेफ्टी को बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस है. सो वी कैन नॉट कंप्रोमाइज विद द सेफ्टी, वी नीड टू फोकस ऑन सेफ्टी. एंड देन production is a secondary for nuclear power plants, because we have already had the experience of Bhopal gas tragedy. We cannot afford to have nuclear accident, and if there is a nuclear accident, not in lakhs but in tens of lakhs people may die. So that is something which we need to focus on. So ये motto आपको help करेगा उस आंसर को देने के लिए कि why in nuclear power plants, why we are not creating nuclear power plants, more nuclear power plants, and why nuclear generation is not increasing. Yeah, so go through this entire thing which is there in this document, and also related to biodiversity protection. Now related to organizational chart, friends, so there is a CMD here, and followed by CMD there are some directors. So Bhuvan Chandra Pathak, if I'm not wrong, he is the CMD as of now. I'll confirm it, you just check it out, you go to the website of NPCIL also. Sometimes some directors gets changed. So this is the activity, please you do, go to the NPCIL website and check it out whether director CMD is Bhuvan Chandra Pathak only, and who are the other directors, that also you have to find it out. So nuclear power in India, what is the situation of nuclear power in India? As I was telling you, 3.22% of entire power generation, Indian electricity, is nuclear power. So why it is so less? So it is the 5th largest source of electricity in India, but it is very less. कोल बेस्ड मैक्सिमम है और उसके बाद ये बहुत ही कम है 3.22%, जो बहुत ही कम होती है. तो इतनी कम क्यों है, दैट वी शुड नो. एंड ऑल्सो सम ऑफ द एक्सीडेंट्स, न्यूक्लियर एक्सीडेंट्स जो वर्ल्ड में अलग अलग जगह पे हुए हैं, दैट यू शुड बी हैविंग एन आइडिया. और जहाँ पे आप नया न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट क्रिएट करने की ट्राई करते हो, वहाँ पे मास एजिटेशंस होती हैं, पीपल आर अगेंस्ट इट, एंड सम टाइम ही माइट आस्क यू क्वेश्चन that if you are serving a nuclear power plant and suppose there is a mass agitation against creation of the nuclear power plant, what step will you take, what will you do? So यहाँ पे आपको उसका आंसर देना होता है कि क्या आप उसमें कर सकते हैं. So that is how you will handle that situation. That question can be asked to you. Another trouble is like low capacity factor. So what do we mean by capacity factor nuclear power plant में, और इंडिया का low capacity factor ऐसा क्यों है और कैसे हम उसको improve कर सकते हैं. कैपेसिटी फैक्टर एंड अवेलेबिलिटी फैक्टर, ये दो टर्म्स होती हैं, न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट से रिलेटेड है. प्लीज ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दीज टू थिंग्स विच आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, एंड यू रीड इट, you will get some idea about these two. So capacity factor will never exceed availability factor. Capacity, as you know, is how much maximum you can produce. Availability is how much you are producing. So let us say 1000 megawatt is the capacity, but you are producing 500 megawatt. So that capacity, and as of now what is availability, these two things are important, we should know that. Then friends, this is the map on Indian map, where are the various power plants, nuclear power plants, and what are their potential and capacity, that we should know. So this you just go through this, where are some particular power plants and what are the areas, active plants and which are your planned, what is the power generation in different years, right. So watt hour, this is a unit, wattage, and hour, that is a unit of energy actually. So watt hour is the unit of energy, it is not the unit of power, it is a unit of energy. So yes, this is atomic structure. Department of Atomic Energy comes under Atomic Energy Commission, which if I am not wrong is under Prime Minister. So you should be aware about the India's nuclear industry, where it is and what is the situation as of now, right. So just go through this. And then power generation capacity in India. So maximum power generation, as you see, 64%, 65% is thermal based, followed by renewable energies, then hydro, then nuclear is 3%, 3 to 4%, very very less nuclear. And why it is less, that is something which is important. तो ये आपका nuclear generation है, थोड़ा सा आपको idea होना चाहिए what is the capacity and how it is there. Yeah, so this we have already discussed. I think this nuclear power plants we have already discussed. कुछ पावर प्लांट्स जो वर्ल्ड में न्यूक्लियर जो रिएक्टर एक्सपोर्ट्स होता है अंडर कंस्ट्रक्शन अलग अलग कंट्रीज में, उनका डाटा सम टाइम ही माइट आस्क यू. आई मीन दीज आर रिलेटेड टू विद हेल्प ऑफ अदर कंट्रीज. कुडमकुलाम in Madras, in Chennai, sorry, in Kudamkulam in Tamil Nadu, we are developing it with help of other countries. So कौन से nuclear power reactors हम develop कर रहे हैं? So what is pressurized heavy water reactor? Why it is called pressurized heavy water? Heavy water D2O होता है, deuterium होता है, इसका meaning क्या है? And what is nuclear fuels? Those kind of things we should be aware. What is boiling water reactor? What is pressurized heavy water reactor? What is the difference between the two? That should be known to us. And similarly, what are the various nuclear fuels? Uranium-235, plutonium-239, thorium, natural uranium is uranium-238, but उसके अंदर enriched uranium is uranium-235, which is basically enriched one, and it can be used for nuclear bombs also, creation of the nuclear bombs. Then thorium-232, uranium, thorium, plutonium, these are the basically different nuclear fuels. You should be aware about these fuels and from where we get it. Then certain current news, why NPCIL is in news, current news, and why some important information. So current news उनके website पे भी होता है. That current news you can find out from the website also. I have shared it with you. Just go through these news. And then nuclear power plant. So those of you who are from engineering background dealing with nuclear power plant, what are the various components of the power plant and how it is different from thermal power plant and on what cycle it is based, like Rankine cycle है, किसके ऊपर based है, वो आपको idea होना चाहिए. So ये उसका एक schematic diagram है friends, like control rod, fuel rods are used, and then there is a generation, there is a turbine, generator, condenser, water goes, and then how it all operates. That is a nuclear reactor. This is how it goes. So थोड़ा सा इसको पढ़ना आप, न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर और कंट्रोल रॉड्स का फंक्शन क्या है और मॉडरेटर्स क्या होते हैं, न्यूक्लियर फ्यूल क्या होता है, दोज थिंग्स शुड बी नोन टू यू. कंपोनेंट्स क्या होते हैं और उन कंपोनेंट्स का रोल क्या होता है, दैट ऑल्सो शुड बी नोन टू यू, हाउ इट इज डन. So yeah, I think functioning and everything. So this is an important document friends. I have prepared this for knowledge about nuclear power plant and NPCIL, and I am very sure if you go through this, then you will be in position to answer couple of questions which normally they will ask you. Other than technical knowledge which you carry, NPCIL they will ask you 5 subjects and they will be asking questions from this. So prepare it well. This document is available on our website. Go through it and I am very sure you will be in position to answer the questions. Thank you.